Hey, guys, hope you all are living your best lives. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Consultant Mindset that mainly aims at providing consultancy and guidance for everyday living. It gives you excellent ideas to mend your ways of living and uplift the standards of your life. Today's topic of our video is brilliant work instead of hard work. We have been following the traditional custom that hard work is the key to success. But in the modern era, hard work is not enough to cope with today's competition. You ought to do smart work instead of hard work so that you can become competent enough to become the best. A person can only win if he is the best among all the opponents. In this video, I will give you some tips to practice smart work. Before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let us jump right into the video. Work on your time management skills. Hard work mainly focuses on quality. And it involves a lot of dedication, but the efficiency is less compared to smart work. Smart work leads to the discovery of more efficient ways. Smart work requires less time and brings better results. Whereas hard work is confined to longer hours and untiring efforts. Hard work is done without any planning, whereas smart work requires beforehand planning. To do smart work, you have to develop a habit of managing your time. Because you have to save your time to do a greater number of tasks in a shorter amount of time. For smart work, develop a to-do list and write down your tasks on it. Don't waste your time on unnecessary things. Do one task efficiently instead of starting 4 or 5 tasks simultaneously. Because in this way you will end up doing nothing. Do the heaviest tasks at the start of the day because morning brings a lot of energy. So leave the shorter and easiest tasks for the end of the day. Cultivate creative mindset. You can do smart work by gaining knowledge through formal or informal education. For smart work, you have to train your brain muscles to do better in the area of thinking and creativeness. To train your brain to think creatively, one has to study different articles and practice arts and music. Read different things like novels, manga and some informative books. Your quench and curiosity should never come to an end. For training your brain muscles, you should be good with technology and you should never stop acquiring knowledge from different sources. By practicing such activities, you can train your brain muscles to think differently from the rest of the world. A creative mindset not only boosts your mood but also makes you find fun in the tasks. In this way, you love to do the task instead of taking it as a tiring responsibility. It gives you an approach to living life differently. Being adaptive and flexible. It happens a lot that whenever we fail to achieve our plan, we start to think negatively, then nothing ever goes our way. However, the best people always have their ways to mend situations. They never fail to inspire the masses. So instead of having a single plan, it is better to have more than one plan. So that if anything happens and you fail to achieve your first plan, you must have your other plan so that the scenario never leaves you empty-handed. Don't let yourself be stuck in the same situation. Just leave it and let the bygones be bygones. Focus on future things, instead of cursing yourself for the failure of a plan. Lift yourself and go with the remaining plans. Failures will lead you to a successful path one day. And how is it related to smart work? If you are sticking to a single plan and it does not work out in the end, then you have no other plan afterward. So you have to repeat the whole process no matter how much time it takes. So it is better to have more productive approaches so that you can learn new things and can train your brain muscles. In the end, I must say that a productive approach is the only thing required. Be more aware of what you are choosing. Be mindful of the opportunities you are taking. Do not waste your time on taking exhausting opportunities. Go for the concise and efficient pieces of work. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye bye.